Okay, we've got your domains, we've got mailboxes, but don't even think start sending those cold emails yet. You need to warm them up. Domain and inbox warm up is absolutely crucial, especially for new domains. It's like breaking in a new pair of shoes or warming up your car engine on a cold morning. Think of your domain and each new inbox like brand new credit score. They start as neutral, maybe even slightly suspicious. Email providers are watching, trying to figure out is this sender legit or a spammer. So if you suddenly start blasting out hundreds or thousands of cold emails from a brand new domain and inboxes, it screams spammer. Email providers will slap the door shut. Domain and inbox warm-up is essential for establishing a positive sender reputation, which is critical factor for email deliverability. So, how to do this? Start small and build up. You would want to take it easy at the beginning. Shoot maybe 10-20 emails a day in your first week, then bump it up but bit by bit each week after that. It's like training for a marathon. You don't want to start running by 26 miles. Well, get people to actually open your stuff. You want folks opening, replying, and clicking your emails, basically showing email providers that people actually want to hear from you. Try sending emails to get people talking back to you, like asking fun questions or sharing cool tips. Also, make friends with warm up tools. These nifty tools help you look legit by pretending to be real people interacting with your emails. These tools are super helpful when you're just getting started with a new email address. So, how long to warm up? Well, 2-4 weeks, ideally 4-6 weeks for optimal results, especially for completely new domains. So, be patient, guys. And during warm up, focus on internal emails. Send emails between your own account, different inboxes, or different providers if possible. Personal emails. Email friends, family, colleagues, people who will actually engage with your emails. Ask them to reply, click links, and add to their contacts. Subscribe to newsletters. Sign up for reputable newsletter and engage with them. Open, click. Those shows you're interacting with legitimate email. Use warm-up services as I've said. Tools like Warm Up Inbox, Mail Warmer, Warm, and of course Replies.io warm up feature. Automate this process and make it much easier. And a pro tip, always have backup domains warming up on the background. Email reputations can be tricky. If one domain starts to struggle, you can quickly switch to pre-warmed backup and keep your outreach flowing smoothly. It's like having a spare tire to your email strategy. Continuous warm up and having backup domains ready are proactive strategies to maintain consistent deliverability and minimizing disruptions. Alright, brace yourself. We are going into techie zone again. But don't panic. We are going to demystify SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, the holy trinity of email authentication. These aren't just buzzwords, they are essential for providing you are a legit sender and not a scammer. So let's break them down. SPF, Sender Police Framework, the authorized sender list. Imagine SPF as the list you publish in your domain DNS record saying, hey internet, these are the only mail servers authorized to send emails from yourdomain.com. When an email arrives claiming to be from you, the recipient server checks your SPF record. If the sender server isn't on your list, red flag. SPF helps prevent email spoofing, spammers pretending to be you. Well, key things for SPF is only one SPF record per domain is allowed. Having multiple SPF records can cause authentication failures. Correct syntax is crucial. And keep it under 10 DNS lookups. Complexity limit. Exceeding this limit can also break SPF validation. Use a SPF record checker tool online, like those from MX Toolbox or DMARC, to validate your SPF record and catch errors. Common errors include syntax mistake, multiple SPF records, and exceeding DNS lookup limits. Well then, DKIM, Domain Keys Identifier Mail, the digital signature. DKIM adds a hidden digital signature to your email. It's like a tamper-proof seal. This signature is verified using a public key that you publish in your DNS. When the recipient server receives your email, it uses your public key to check the signature. If it's valid, it proves: first, email really came from your domain, and second, the email wasn't altered in transit. Key things for DKIM. Generate the DKIM key in your email provider settings. Google Workspace, Microsoft 3065, wherever. Use a key length of 2048 bits for enhanced security. Publish the public key in your DNS as TXT or CNAME record, depending on your provider. Ensure you copy the entire key value correctly without any typos. DMARC is the policy layer that builds on SPF and DKIM. It tells email providers what to do with emails that fail SPF and or DKIM checks, and it gives you reports on email activity from your domain. So those guys, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are not optional extras. They are the foundation of modern email deliverability. Get them set up correctly for every sending domain. And use one of those online checker tools to validate your setup. It is a bit technical, but absolutely worth the effort. Proper implementation for those authentication methods is crucial for long-term email deliverability success. Okay, we've mourned the loss of reliable open tracking for cold emails. But fear not, there are better ways to measure engagement that actually tell you if your emails are working. It's time to move beyond vanity metrics and focus on what truly delivers results. Replies are new gold standards. Forget obsessing over open rates. They are noisy and unreliable right now. Reply rate is the metric that actually matters. Are people responding to your emails? Are they interested in what you're offering? A good reply rate tells you that your messaging is resonating, your targeting is on point, and your emails are landing in the inbox. Focusing on reply rates aligns your cold outreach strategy with genuine engagement and lead quality, which are more valuable than simply opens. So the main takeaway here is that shift your focus from opens to engagement. Stop chasing vanity metrics and start measuring what truly matters: meaningful interactions and real results. Well, and that's your deep dive into cold email deliverability in 2025. It's a changing landscape, but by focusing on building trust, playing by the rules, and prioritizing genuine engagement, you can absolutely dominate your inbox placement and crush your outreach goals. And remember, you only scratched the surface here. For full deliverability playbook, grab the ultimate cold email deliverability guide from reply.io. Link in the description. It's packed with even more data, checklists, tool recommendation, and advanced strategy to make you a deliverability master. Now let's talk in the comments. What's your biggest aha in this video? What deliverability tactics are you going to implement right away? Are you struggling with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC setup? Oh my god, I hope this would be the last time I say those. Let me know below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting edge videos, and share this video with your fellow email marketers. Let's conquer the inbox together. Well, happy emailing, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.